Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for waiting when to look at find our things on if the students perform, you have to login their email address and passwords for verified from students. Then you have to set up find the searching tab, scroll down the waiting map, and then click on the employee lessons. Find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition three digits. The lessons we going to cover today are computer vision and sometimes ability digits, right addition, sometimes ability digits, balance addition, equations with digits. So please make sure you have your book and pencil so that you can write down the important examples and definitions as well. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can write down the important example and definitions as well. And I know which chapter additions and course. Let's just start with the lesson that is leaf addition sentences are equal to just. Fill in the number. Seven plus number equals 519. So we need to find what number when added to 7 makes 500. So you need to subtract 7 other side, right? We have to do 519 minus 7. 519 minus 7 equals 500, right? So that is 500. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number 535 plus what number makes 539. So let me just use the right because this is not working. Okay, 535 plus the missing number equals 539. Now we are given four of the options, right? We can use these options. There are 4, 6, and 8. I'm going to start with the very first option that is 535 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the correct option. So basically, we can solve these questions by using two ways. One of them is you can try the given options one by one. The other one is we have 535 plus the missing number equals 539. We need to find that missing number. So subtract 535 from both sides because we need to remove that 535 from it. 535 minus 535. 535 minus 535 is 0. And 539 minus 509 minus 5 is 4. The missing number is 4. So guys are just in grade 2. So the basic thing is you can use the so you can just use the options here. So that is for option number 1 is the third option. Fill in the missing number 353 plus what number equals 359. So we are given three of the options. So 353 plus 5. You can try these options one by one, right? 253 plus the missing number equals 359. So start with 5. 353 plus 5. So write them down one above the other. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 5, and 3. So that isn't the correct option because that is not mixed with 15, right? Start with the second option. The second one is 6, I think. Yes, that is 6. So 353 plus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. And keep the digit as it is. So that is 359. So option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, that is 6. That is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number 9 plus what number equals 527. So 9 plus 500, 9 plus what number equals 527. So we can try the given options one by one. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 9 plus 518 equals 597. Remember lesson number 3 plus what number equals 755, so which is the correct option. That is 3 plus 552 equals 755. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Write your each sentence up to 3 digits. During the summer, customers buy 982 swimsuits from a department store. During the rest of the year, they buy 56. How many swimsuits are sold overall? We need to calculate how many swimsuits sold overall. So you need to calculate basically the global swimsuit sold, right? So 900 swimsuits from a department store at 56, they buy more. Basically, you have to add 982 plus 56. Just so let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just start with test questions. A mama bear has eaten 671 fish, and her cub has eaten And that has eaten 651, 65 fish. In all, how many fish are all? How many fish have the bear eaten? So, why it is not going? Okay, so 671 plus 65, right? So let me just add them. Add the one digits that are at the ones position, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now add the digits that are at the tens position, 6 plus 7. Start with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 over here and get 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 736. The correct option is 736. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 736. Kelsey's car broke and she used $31 from her savings to have it repaired. After that, she had $908 left in savings. How much money did Kelsey have saved before her car broke? So you need to add 908 plus 31. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3 and 9. So that makes 539. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 930. Bob watched a meteor shower in August and saw 199 shooting stars. In November, he watched another meteor shower during which he saw 82 shooting stars. How many shooting stars did Bob see in the year? That is 9, 10, 11 by 1 and carry on. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 8, 18 by 8 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 makes 2. That is 280 Bob. The correct option is 381. Option number two is the correct option. Group fed 164 adults and 12 children. How many people did the group fed? So you need to add. That is 164 plus 12. That is 4 plus 2 makes 6. 6 plus 1 makes 7 and 1. That is 176. Option number 1 is the correct option. Matt painted his house using 680 gallons of white paint and 48 gallons of sea green. How many gallons of paint in all did Matt use? That is 680 plus 40. That is 8 plus 0 makes 8. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 2 and get your 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 728. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 712. Last week, May and Clayton went on a road trip. May drove 650 miles and Clayton drove 30 miles. How many miles did they travel? So, which is the correct option? You need to add 650 plus 30. So, let's just add 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3 makes 8 and 6. That is 680. Option number 1 is the correct option. Husband and wife are on the Oregon Drive. That's getting to a food and will run into 65 cups of milk and 75 cups of corn milk. How many cups of rain does the couple need? So, which is the correct option? One hundred 65 plus 75. We need to add them because these are the total cups of our food, right? 165 plus 75. So 5 plus 5 makes 10, right? 0 and then 1. 6 and 1, 7 and 7, 7, 14 by 4 and 10, 1. So that is 200 and the correct option is 240. That is 240. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, we have a chest of coins. Inside there are 411 gold coins and 12 silver coins. How many coins are in the chest? So which is the correct option? 411 plus 12. So let me just add that. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 1 plus 1 makes 2 and 4. That means 423. The correct option is 450. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself without doing just remember. That's excellent. That is balance addition equations appropriate course. Let's just start with the first questions. Which number makes the equation two? So 730 plus 3 equals 725 plus the decimal. The first thing we need to do, we need to add this one. 730 plus 3. 730 plus 3 makes 733. Now we need to add a number to 725 that makes it equal 733. Start with the first one, 725 plus 8. So 725 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? 3 and carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 7. That is 730. Option number 1 is the correct option. That would be 8. That completes the inversion balance. Which number makes the equation true? 291 plus 8. 8 plus 1 makes 9. That is 299. So what number plus 3 makes 291? That is 296 plus 3. The correct option is 296. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which number makes the equation true? 728 plus 6. 11, 12, 13, 14, right? 4 can 2 plus 1 is 2. That is 734. So what number plus 3 equals 734? That would be 731. Option number three is the correct option. That is 731. Which number makes the equation 2? 158 plus what number equals 165 plus 2? 165 plus 2 makes 167. We need to find a number that would add it to 158 makes 169 to that is 9 option number. Who is the correct? That is one option number one is the correct option. Confidence. Which number makes the equation 2? 939 plus 9. 9 plus 9 makes 18 by 8 and 21. 3 plus 1 makes 4. That is 948. So 943 plus 5 makes 948. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 940. Okay, you can complete the lesson the way separated it so you were working on grade 2 math. Chapter we were working on addition 3 digits. The lessons we have covered today are complete the addition sometimes up to 3 digits, write the addition sometimes up to 3 digits, and balance addition equations. So please make sure before the next session we continue to all the practice questions of the lessons we just did. That is your homework at the next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask. But why can't I see any of your messages?